After a dark and weary night crossing the Gulf of Mexico, birds arrive on the beach. One more step on their spring migration north. Following the rising sun, they now race the receding tide. Their hectic search for food is on. For some, it's a lone endeavour. Whilst others work together as a team. They all need to feed, and there are thousands of miles still to go. Life on the beach for local birds is more leisurely. For the proud-looking royal terns, a delicacy may entice a new mate. Beaches are busy places, and nesting birds are easily disturbed. So a sweet morsel for this least tern is a welcome help in raising a family.